Hello all, welcome to Automotive Battery Diagnosis using Multimeter Part 4a. In this video, we will learn how to measure and interpret parasitic current drain in vehicles using digital multimeter. This is Part 4a of our comprehensive 12-volt battery diagnosis series designed for vehicle owners and entry-level automotive technicians. Tools required: a digital multimeter which has a capacity of 10 ampere and basic hand tools for battery access. Let the vehicle be in a park or neutral condition. Parking brake fully engaged. Ignition off, all accessory off. All doors are closed during the measurement. Wait for 30 minutes for the modules to sleep. Please remember, never crank the engine while the multimeter is in current mode. Let us start the procedure. Switch off the ignition. Make sure that all the lights are off, accessories off, radio off, AC off, roof lamp off. Remove the key. Close the door manually. Now wait for 30 minutes. A module sleep cycle. As you are aware, modern vehicles use electronic control modules that stay active for a short time after shutdown. Wait for them to enter sleep mode ensures the parasitic drain that measures true background current. The 30 minutes module sleep cycle ensures non-essential systems are off, measuring current draw. It avoids mistaking normal shutdown activity for a drain issue. Let the electrical system settle for a consistent reading. And it matches the vehicle intended diagnostic state. Please note, recommended wait time may vary by vehicle to vehicle. Typically, it is 30 to 45 minutes. Now let us open the negative terminal. It is always recommended to open the negative terminal because this is vehicle is chassis grounded to avoid unwanted sparks. Let us set the multimeter to 10 ampere, black probe to COM jack and the red to 10 ampere jack. Please understand the current flow. It starts flowing from the positive to the engine and electrical systems and reaches back to negative terminal. Now connect the black probe firmly to the negative pole and red towards the disconnected wire. Watch for the reading. We got 0.74 means it is 740 milliampere. During our test, the observed drain from the battery was 740 milliamps. It's above the permissible range and we have to investigate what is the root cause of this. See, as you are aware, as what we have learned, anything below 50 amps is permissible and up to 100 milliamps it is acceptable. But since it is 740 milliampere, we have to check the wiring with a certified technician. It can be a wiring issue, it can be short circuit, it can be faulty modules, it might have caused due to aftermarket accessories. It is better to consult a certified technician to find the root cause and rectify it. If it is within the limit, we can continue with routine monitoring and retest whenever symptoms are returning. Please do avoid these mistakes while doing the parasitic drain. One is not waiting for all modules to fully sleep. The waiting period, as we learned, is minimum 30 minutes. If you are in a hurry, then you will get a wrong reading. You will end up in wrong diagnosis. Do make sure that you use the probe polarity correctly. Close the door and do not open the door while doing the test. Do not crank the engine when meter is connected. Ignoring intermittent or inconsistent reading. Key takeaways. Always follow the sequence. Complete visual inspection. State of charge. Cranking test before parasitic drain. Always correlate with the diagnostic table shared in each video. Safety is utmost important. Make sure that you are waiting for at least 30 minutes for the modules to sleep. Any physical issues like cleanliness of the terminal, tightening of the connections, and corrosion on the terminals should be addressed to before measuring the current drain. Let us go back to the learnings what we had in this particular series of video. In part 1, we learned about the visual inspection, the physical condition, corrosion, and terminal checks, etc. Then in part 2, we have seen what is SOC check without a load in the vehicle also. In part 3, we learned about the cranking test, on load, voltage under starter motor load. In this part 4, we have learned about the parasitic drain, which is a silent killer of the battery, wherein we may not get a clue. However, battery may drain out quickly. Now in part 5, we will be learning about the container drain test of the battery. Each step progressively narrows down the root cause of the battery, and replacement part 5 is coming next. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment on the video content. Thank you very much.